Space rockets, giant symbols of human ingenuity, science, and ambition. Or are they just big tubes of misery waiting to happen? Fact number 1. The Challenger disaster, a catastrophe at 73 seconds. In 1986, the Space Shuttle Challenger tragically exploded just 73 seconds after takeoff, killing all 7 crew members. Why? A simple rubber O-ring cracked due to the cold, causing a catastrophic chain reaction. One tiny flaw, massive devastation. Fact number 2, the horrifying G-forces. But the crushing G-forces? Not so much. Astronauts endure up to 3 Gs, 3 times the force of gravity, as they break through the atmosphere. The pressure is so intense it can cause black vessels. Fact number 3, rocket fuel is a ticking time bomb. Rocket fuel, it's basically liquid explosives. One tiny mistake, one spark, and the whole thing can blow. During fueling operations, everyone is on high alert because handling these chemicals is like dancing with a ticking time bomb. Fact number 4, vomit-inducing thrills. Space isn't just awe-inspiring, it's nausea-inducing. Rocket rides often cause space motion sickness, and some astronauts spend the first few days in orbit feeling utterly miserable, dealing with nausea, dizziness, and headaches in zero gravity. Fact number 5, the cold, brutal truth about rocket re-entry. Re-entry is like surviving a firestorm. The spacecraft faces temperatures up to 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit. One miscalculation in the angle or speed, and it could burn up in the atmosphere, or bounce off into the void of space forever. Rockets may carry us to the stars, but the journey is anything but glamorous. From fuel that could explode to the extreme forces on the human body, space exploration isn't just awe-inspiring, it's a misery-filled adventure that pushes us to the very brink. Space may be the final frontier, but it's not for the faint of heart. Subscribe for more cosmic truths. And yet, despite all the misery, we keep pushing forward. The dream of space travel? Totally worth it.